Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Alex. Now, I know I haven't been uploading in a while. I've been really busy with a lot of stuff. I've been traveling a little bit, been looking for jobs, other stuff like that. I've just been really busy. My schedule's been really full, so I haven't had time to upload, but my schedule's freed up a little bit right now, so I was thinking maybe I'll start uploading again more and see how things go. As some of you guys may remember from a couple months ago, I did a video for my Battle Aero wing with the X braces. And if you guys watched that video, I'll link it in the corner. It's an alright video. But basically I installed the X braces on my Battle Aero wing before I had the metal lines. But when I installed those X braces, it actually blocked my license plate. Like, you know me, I'm not trying to get like a random ticket for some bull like that. Me and my dad had tried like drilling holes into it and like putting the license plate on the top, but then at the end, when like during the nighttime, you really can't see my license plate because the light that shines on the license plate isn't there, so you can't see my license plate in the dark. So I took that off also. So then in the end I didn't end up putting it on. So anyway, I used to have the tension cables, and as I mentioned in that video, the tension cables are good, but over time they become loose, and then when you start driving on the highway and stuff, you can see your wing shaking, and it's just not good because they become loose over time, like they lose tension. So the metal bars that Battle Aero gives you are way better, but problem is they're like really illegal. The other day I was looking at it and me and my dad were like, yo, why didn't we think of this before? And we just thought of a way better solution that's actually way simpler and really easy to do. So I was thinking about sharing it with you guys because I know some of you guys were maybe thinking about getting the Battle Aero wing, or maybe some of you already have it. I've seen some videos of some people with them and they're like, this is really illegal, but you know, they're like, fuck it, we're gonna keep it on our car. Anyways, me and my dad found a solution to it, so I'll come show you guys what the solution is. With these X braces, they actually sit really low, and what happens is you're supposed to, I think, attach this part of the X brace right here. And what me and my dad did is we attached it to this part because this hole already comes with the Battle Aero wing. I'm pretty sure it's this hole. So this hole, it already comes with the Battle Aero. And what me and my dad did is that we actually just moved this whole X brace up a little bit, and we just drilled new holes right here. Drilled new holes right here, and on the other side, you can get some blue tape. I think we got some blue tape, and we lined it up and marked the area, and then we just drilled the hole in and bolted it up here, and then it's perfect now. And it looks almost like exactly the same as it was looked before, but now it's not blocking it. It's definitely a lot more legal than it was before. And if anyone from Battle Aero is watching this video, I would recommend that you guys just probably add this to it. It's just another hole you have to add, and then for any new buyers, they don't have to worry about it, and you probably make more sales because maybe like some of your buyers are worried about because it looks illegal, but now the issue's solved. I don't have to worry about it shaking because it's a lot more sturdy with those metal bars and with those metal braces. So yeah, that fixed my solution. It was really simple. I don't know why we didn't think about it before. I don't know why we went through that whole process of putting my license plate on the actual brace. That was stupid of us. And make sure you put like a blanket over your car or something, because when you drill the hole, you'll have like metal flakings from the brace, or you can just take the whole thing off your car in the first place. But we kept it on because we wanted to make sure like the license plate wasn't being covered. So moving on for that, I had another video planned that I was gonna post, but I didn't end up posting because it was kind of short. So I thought I'd just include it in this video as well. But I have like a small leak or something in my engine bay, and I'm not really sure what it is, so I was hoping you guys could help me figure out what it was. But I already recorded the footage, so I'll probably just start playing the footage pretty soon. But yeah, if you guys could just look at the footage and let me know what you guys think it is. Maybe you guys know it better than I do, or maybe you guys have the 86 and had this issue as well and already fixed it. But here, I'll roll the footage and let me know if you guys can help me out with this. As you guys can see down here, there's a bunch of like black smudge or whatever on the bottom of my right side of the car. And we think it's an oil leak somewhere, but we're not really sure where it's coming from. But that's what it looks like. So if you guys have any ideas of what this could be, let us know. We just put some plastic gloves over all these engine pieces that were exposed, so not like air, water or dust or anything doesn't get into them. We just removed where the air filter was held, and then that gave us access to everything so we could clean it up. But yeah, we still don't know where the leak is coming from. So if you guys have any ideas, let us know. We just ended up cleaning it and drying it and look into it every so often, and then if it starts coming back, we'll be able to pinpoint where it starts from, and then hopefully pinpoint where the leak is. So yeah, that's the issue that I have. Had those, it was like flaky kind of. It looked like it was flaky, but I don't know, it has to be an oil leak because I don't know what else it can be, because it's not the belt, because we checked the belt and the belt seems fine, so it's not like any flakes from the belt. I'd rather know what the issue is than still be a mystery, but hey, if it ever pops up again, hopefully I can fix it. Anyways, that's gonna do it for today's video. Again, if anyone knows what that issue is, please leave it down in the comments below. It might help me a lot. And hopefully that Battle Aero mod helps someone out. Again, it's a really simple mod. If you guys are ever worried about it, you can do it, or if you ever want to buy it, you can easily fix it and not have to worry about it being illegal. But I have a video planned for next week, but I kind of need to buy some stuff for it, so stay tuned for that. But I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.